Welcome everybody, continuing our DC Superpowers character week, action figure week. Got the Green Lantern, old Hal Jordan, not the original Green Lantern, but the original to me. He was the one, from Super Friends. A little more motion in his neck than there was with Aquaman, so Aquaman was probably just stuck, and his gimmick was raise his ring up to fight. I'm pretty sure he came with one of the little Green Lantern recharger doodads. No details at all on the back. Oh, it got a what year was that? 1984. Copyright DC. Same on both legs. Oh, I didn't. Did Aquaman's knees bend? Yeah, they did. Okay. I didn't even realize that they had bending knees. But, this arm's just stuck on there. That arm's got its gimmick. And like I say, you can sort of see where the hip pops out to make it do the motion. I liked the Green Lantern when I was a kid, but he wasn't in many episodes of the Super Friends. The ones I saw anyway, so I didn't get to see much of them. Of course, that was before I really understood. I didn't really have access to buy comic books and whatnot. And when I did, I think I usually bought the G.I. Joe. But I was like, all the Super Friends guys were cool. And I like they had the, it's basically what they call it in Toy Story, the Kung Fu grip. So I thought that was just a unique gimmick for figures of this size anyway back then. But anyway, that's about all I got for him. Thanks for watching. If you dig what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.